Meaning of detumescent.
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 Detumescent. Detumescent refers to the process of diminishing or subsiding in size, especially relating to sexual arousal. When a person becomes sexually aroused, there is an increase in blood flow to the genitals, leading to engorgement and erection. Detumescence occurs when this blood flow decreases and the penis or clitoris returns to its flaccid state. This process can occur naturally or with the help of medication or other interventions. Detumescence is an important part of the sexual response cycle and helps maintain genital health and function.